How to fix Binance phone verification code not sending, voiceover only, no timestamps, no visuals. Tutorial video script title: How to fix Binance phone verification code not sending, step-by-step voiceover script. Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem when your Binance phone verification code is not sending or not arriving. Let's begin. First, make sure your mobile phone has a strong network signal and is able to receive SMS messages. Sometimes, weak reception can delay or block the code. Second, check that you entered the correct phone number in your Binance account, including the right country code. A missing digit or wrong country code can stop the SMS from arriving. Third, if the code still doesn't arrive, tap on Resend code after waiting for at least 60 seconds. Do not request too many times in a row, as this may cause Binance to temporarily block new codes. Fourth, try restarting your phone or switching your SIM card into another device to confirm the issue is not with your phone. Fifth, make sure your phone is not blocking Binance SMS. Check your spam, blocked, or filtered messages folder. If you still can't get the SMS, you can use Google Authenticator or another authentication app instead of SMS for verification. Binance recommends using an authenticator app because it's faster and more secure. And finally, if none of these steps work, go to Binance support inside the app or website and contact customer service. Explain the issue, and they can help reset your verification method. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the issue when your Binance phone verification code is not sending. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy crypto and tech guides.